Hi guys, so I got a new vacuum today. Russell Hobbs Athena 2 pet upright vacuum. And the lovely vacuum sensation got this off of my Amazon wish list for me. I'm so excited to use it. So today I'm just going to sort of show you a quick unboxing, and then we're just going to do a quick natural in this room because I'm still feeling a bit rubbish. Haven't really got much energy to do anything that's too exhausting right now. So yeah, I'm going to do a quick unboxing and show you it, and then we're just going to do a quick natural in this room. So let's get started. I've already undone the top because it was quite taped up. So let's do this. Okay, so first of all we've got a spare belt just in case this one breaks, which is good. And we've got just the normal, little pamphlet things that new vacuums come with. And it comes with a warranty as well, as long as you obviously register. And just the usual little manual that comes with it. So first of all we've got the first tool, which is a 3-in-1. It's a crevice tool, and then a dusting brush tool, and then obviously you can switch it around and make it into an upholstery tool, so that's quite cool. And then we've also got a snazzy looking turbo tool, so I look forward to using that actually, so it looks quite good. So we've got that too. And then I think we'll be moving on to the actual vacuum now, so let's get that out. Oh wait, hold on. So the first bit that we've got is we've got the handle here, so we'll lay that out so we know where that is. And then the second piece we've got is the stretchy hose here, so we'll lay that down too. And then ta-da! We've got the base part of the vacuum. So let's just try and get that out, shall we? Okay. So we've got, it's actually quite small. It looks, when I watched the demonstration videos, it actually looked a lot bigger than what it does. Oh, it's really cute. Not bad size bin either. So let's see if I can try and put this together without needing the help of my other half, who currently isn't here, is at work. So even if I did need his help, I would have to wait until he gets back from work, and I really don't want to have to do that. So let's see if we can get this together. So I'm assuming that... Oh no! God, right. So I'm assuming that end doesn't go there. Right, okay. That, it's like, almost like the helixes where you put them in. Okay. Let's put that back on, shall we? Oh, I'm already getting confused. Right, click. Right, this is what we're going to need. This bit. Okay. So let's take off this little sticker, whack it on there. And right, it says remove the dust thing. So let me just have a little look on the picture here. This little purple bit is meant to go. Okay, right. And we've got a screw here. And trust me, not to bring a screwdriver with me, but just for purposes, to figure out where bloody hell that goes, right at the back there. So 1 second, my loves, while I just go and get a screwdriver. Okay, got a screwdriver. Obviously, if you want to skip this part, then you can obviously skip to the quick natural of the bedroom. But for those that like to watch, the assembly and the unboxing, then this part is for you. Okay, so screw, and that's in. Wonderful. let's put the bin back on, and then, right, I feel like I'm sort of missing something because there isn't actually anywhere for the, oh, okay, right. Okay, right, I think that I have assembled this properly. Oh, no I haven't. It would really help if I put this bottom bit on here, wouldn't it? You can tell I'm, you know, not a vacuum enthusiast when it comes to assembling stuff and whatnot. Okay, so that's the finished product. This is what it looks like. Hopefully you can see that because I haven't got a lot of space in this room, but I'm hoping that you can sort of get the gist. Like that's the bottom, the top there, and right. So let's just quickly plug it in. Oh, it's got a really long cord as well, which is helpful. Means I haven't got to keep stopping and unplugging and plugging in different rooms. So let me just unplug this, unravel this, should I say, and find somewhere for me to plug this bad boy in. Alrighty, so I'm going to do a quick natural on this rug, which hasn't been vacuumed since I last used it to do a crunchy mess test. So hopefully there's lots of goodies still hidden inside of it. And yeah, let's see how it does on the rug. Let's get started. Okay, so it's clear to see that this rug hates fluffy rugs. I mean, this vacuum does not like thick, fluffy rugs. So I don't think I'll be doing any brush roll mess tests on my rugs with this vacuum anytime soon. Tools is fine, obviously, but the brush roll does not like this rug. So I'm just going to shake out whatever's left and just do a quick natural on the hardwood floor.